Mwihoko wa kunina nyota wa maai kuri Aikari icigo bunge cia Bahati Rongai na Subukia kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ukoragwo ari marima ma maai na ica ikuhi ni kuhithukite ati mamwe ma marima maria marenjwo na muoroto wa gwetha maai marigagiriria na kuruta ngasi iria kuringana na ataramu no icungiririe mututhuko wa mwaki. Na kurumirira ugwati-ini riu thirikari kugerera Zechariah Hoidi uria ni mutaramu thiini wa ministry ya wenji wa mahiga ma goro ni hete mukana kuri Aikari icigo ici cia bunge gukuruhanagia ataramu a gisayansi mbere ya menjete marima ma maai.
They do the activities assuming the earth is just normal, but the activities underneath that they may not know. So somebody may drill a well and then maybe gas intercepts a big pocket of gas, which can be dangerous. It's lying within our block 14T, which is a petroleum, oil and gas block. We anticipate that it could also be possible that we have some pockets of gas around.
Ataramu a gisayansi kuma thirikari-ini makoretwo magika uthuthuria wigie kihumo kia ngasi ino thutha wayo gututhuka mwaka-ini wa 2019 mugunda-ini wa Patel itura-ini ria Solai. Hoidi akiuga ati ngasi ino ikoretwo ikiyumba kwa ihinda iraya na ni ugwati munene kuri miturire ya andu na mahiu.
This region being thermal, having geothermal activities, that means you expect it to be hot, all right, underneath. So there's likeliness that somebody may drill and intercept gases or steam. So it's very common.
Kuringana na ataramu aya, uthuthuria wa kiambiriria uronania ngasi ino ithondekete thutha wa mimera na mahiu iria yathikirwo ihinda iraya gubutha.
A farmer who was doing a borehole, and out of the borehole they intercepted a gas which was flammable. So it shows us that there was possible to have some burning gas, which is methane. And so we are carrying out studies to find out if under the surface we have other gas pockets.
Amwe no guo, ataramu moigite ngasi ino iratuthuka thutha wa kwenjwo mita nini mugaru na iria ingi cienjagwo makiria ma kilomita 3 na thi.
This gas that was at Solai was around 300 meters, which is basically not deep enough. All right? And so that's why you find that the gas already has died out.
Kwirikana ngasi ino no ingire thogori-ini. Hoidi oigite uthuthuria makiria niguo ukuonania muigana wayo.
We are going to interpret the data, the geophysical, which have gravity and magnetic data, which will be able to tell us how deep the basin is, what structures are underneath, and from that now we can be able to tell somebody there's possible of gas in this area. And then we can now market this to investors who will come now and look for the exact gas. And now, when the gas is discovered, you know that now we have a resource. We can talk about that resource if it's commercial.
Riu na waki wa tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere icigo-ini ici ugukorwo ukihurwo ndurumeni makiria niguo gwithema kuria ithima cia ngasi ino ciri.
We want to discover how deep the sediments are, whether they are able to sustain what you call gas. We are collecting data which we are going to analyze, then be able to give a picture of what rocks underlie this area, the Solai gas prospect area.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getao wa Wajiku.